What's going on, guys? My name is Dan. A lot of you have been asking me to make a video talking about the different job positions that are available in the Amazon FBA space, breaking down what kind of salaries are being paid and also the requirements. So many people out there want to go remote. They want to access the remote working world. But, to do that, you need the skills, obviously, for these remote jobs. And Amazon FBA offers an immense opportunities for people out there that are looking to do exactly that. So right now I'm on Indeed, which is the top job search website in the United States. And if I type in the word e-commerce, we have 4,641 jobs. And there's a variety of different jobs, right? Amazon Ads Specialist, e-commerce customer service, e-commerce fulfillment operations specialist, junior manager biz ops for e-commerce and product development. There's all of these e-commerce brands out there that are looking for help. There's simply not enough people that actually are skilled in this space and that are familiar with Amazon FBA, that are familiar with even Shopify and just e-commerce in general, right? So let's break down the top jobs that you're going to find that are being posted right now that are in demand. Let's also break down the requirements and the average salaries. So the number one and most common job that you're going to find is basically the Amazon specialist or the e-commerce specialist. So what this job is essentially you are being hired to help run a brand or multiple brands. And you might be hired by a specific e-commerce brand that's looking for help running their business, or you might be hired by an e-commerce agency who specializes in managing Amazon brands, and you might be assigned one or more brands. So let's look at the job search website here and let's see exactly what these Amazon specialist jobs are paying and also what the requirements are. So I typed in Amazon specialist on Indeed here. And also just a note here that when recruiters post these jobs, they don't all post it as Amazon specialist because recruiters are a little bit outdated and there's really no cohesiveness here. So sometimes you might find like Amazon operations specialist or a digital specialist or an Amazon account manager, right? So just be aware of that. But here we have Amazon operations specialist paying $63,000 to $73,000 a year. I believe that this job is remote. Let's see, is it remote? I think it is. If we scroll down, it's full-time. Work location remote, exactly. So if we scroll up here, we can see that this is OBD Solutions. They're paying $63,000, $73,000 a year. And they're looking for somebody to... Okay, we're going to read it. Your mission will be to ensure our Amazon sales channels stay open and contain accurate information about our products. You're going to have 3 areas of responsibility. Ensure compliance with Amazon's policies to keep account and product listing in good standing, improve our brand representation on Amazon, and report key Amazon and company metrics. Your specific responsibilities will include monitor for and resolve alleged seller account violations, ensure we comply with Amazon seller guidelines, keep us on good terms with the Amazon SAS representative, check product listings for anomalies daily, update listing content, dispute remove negative seller feedback and product listing reviews, create promotions, and update KPIs. So this is a very standard Amazon specialist job posting here. The salary is great, honestly. I mean, it's not like 6 figures or anything, but they're looking for somebody to basically help manage their brand. And this company here is a company based out of Phoenix, Arizona, and they sell OBD adapters for cars, which is like the thing you plug into cars that reads error codes. So that's an example of a job position. Let's keep going. We have Amazon SEO specialist, Amazon search specialist, $68,000 a year. We have this one, Banyan e-commerce, $32.50 to $45 an hour. Okay, so this is Pompano Beach, Banyan e-commerce. And so this one right here is proficiency in all aspects of Amazon Seller Central, strong copywriting skills for creating compelling content, experience in marketing strategies and digital marketing techniques, proficient in content creation. And this one is 8-hour shift, full-time contract. Another job right here is Amazon Brand Manager and PPC Specialist. This one pays $4,000 to $12,000 a month. And if we scroll down here, we can see what this is. So it's saying, Sophie Society has opened a new slot for a dedicated Amazon PPC strategist to join our team. Sophie is an official Amazon Ads partner and host of the most well-attended digital Amazon PPC-focused event in the world, the Profitable PPC Challenge. In this role, you're going to be responsible for the success of the Amazon PPC ads for a set of brands. This is an entrepreneurial role that allows you to directly scale your rewards as you scale your results. That's why I assume the salary range is so wide, because if you perform well, you're probably going to get paid more, closer to the $12,000 a month mark. So let's look at the qualifications. At least 2 years of experience in Amazon PPC advertising, have proven results, case studies of success while managing Amazon campaigns, full-time team player, willing to learn and implement the Sophie PPC strategies, curious with the ability to understand the various problems that arise in an Amazon brand outside of the domain of PPC. And basically, you're running Amazon PPC for this specific e-commerce agency. So the job that we just looked at, that's an Amazon PPC specialist, right? So there's actually 6 different jobs that you're going to find right now on the job posting website. The 6 jobs are Amazon specialist, advertising manager or PPC specialist, Amazon listing designer, Amazon copywriter or SEO specialist. That's all one job. Amazon product manager, so product research specialist, product buyer or sourcing specialist, and customer support specialist. Okay, these are the top 6 jobs you're going to find, and these basically cover most of duties related to running an Amazon FBA business. And all of these jobs, except the main Amazon specialist job, they're all focused on specific aspects of the business. So PPC, you're running Amazon advertising, basically becoming a professional in the advertising space on Amazon, running profitable PPC campaigns. I've made a ton of PPC videos in my life on my Dan Vast channel, and I'm going to make more here. So we're going to learn that here too. Amazon listing designer or copywriter, that's basically writing beautiful listings on Amazon, making sure that the listing looks great, the pictures are great. I'm also going to talk about how to create beautiful listings on this channel. Amazon product manager, product research specialist, that's where you're specializing in finding profitable products on Amazon. And we use tools to help with that like Jungle Scout Helium 10, which I'm going to be making product research videos on the channel here as well. Product buyer sourcing specialist, that's a logistics specialist. So that's basically negotiations with suppliers, managing inventory and cash flow. And then customer service specialist, that's self-explanatory. That's basically helping with customers' issues and also any kind of questions that customers can have. And usually brands that are both on Amazon and Shopify, they hire customer support specialists because Amazon handles customer service when it comes to Amazon FBA. Because when customers buy a product that's Amazon Prime, they call Amazon when it comes to problems. So really it's the bigger brands that have presence on multiple platforms where customers might buy something on Amazon and they'll go on like the actual Shopify site, the main website of the brand, and then click contact us to reach out. That's who they would be hiring customer service specialists for. And all of these different job positions could be great for anybody, just depending on a person's strengths and weaknesses, right? So if you're somebody who loves just finding products and doing product research, obviously the product research job is great. If you're somebody who loves managing a business, Amazon specialist, the general Amazon specialist job. If you're somebody who loves copywriting and writing advertising text, that's obviously the listing design or copywriting job. If you're somebody who loves interacting with people and helping them with their issues, customer service specialist. And you might think, oh, well, customer service doesn't pay that well. Well, honestly, if I type in e-commerce customer service and we just saw a position, like right here, we have e-commerce customer service coordinator pays $75,000 a year, right? E-commerce sales specialist, $32,000-$60,000 a year, right? There's just so many opportunities in this space. Don't assume that just because it's customer service, it doesn't get paid well. There are so many people out there that would love these positions because, they don't need to necessarily make six figures, right? They would be happy making a good salary, a decent salary, and being able to work remote and have that freedom of working from anywhere. So now how do you actually get started? Well, the fastest way for you to get started is going to be in my free Amazon FBA crash course. And I put together a free crash course that will show you exactly how you can start and progress in each one of these paths, no matter what path you take, whether it's an Amazon FBA remote job or starting your own Amazon FBA business the right way or starting consulting. It's all going to be in the crash course. It's totally free, no credit card required. The link is down below, and I put it together so that you can start right away. I know that the biggest issue people have is they want access to remote opportunities, but they don't know where to start, and I'm solving that problem by putting together this crash course. So let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you're excited about these remote opportunities, and also let me know if you have any video ideas, topics you want me to explore. As somebody who's been in the online business industry and e-commerce industry for almost 7 years now, I've pretty much seen it all. So let me know, subscribe to the channel, and I welcome you to Ecom Academy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.